Hey there, fellow photographers and camera enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting for all you Canon EOS R10 owners out there. We're going to dive deep into how to get the most out of this fantastic mirrorless camera. Before we get started, remember that this camera bundle comes complete with all the manufacturer-supplied accessories, so you're all set to go. Now, let's get into it. First off, let's talk lenses. This camera pairs beautifully with the RF 50mm f1.8 STM lens. It's compact, lightweight, and offers a classic, versatile field of view. Plus, it's incredibly sleek, making it a fantastic addition to your kit. Now, let's get into the heart of the camera. The EOS R10 features a 24.2 megapixels APS circa CMOS sensor. It strikes the perfect balance between resolution, file size, speed, and low light performance. You'll get stunning image quality with this sensor. But that's not all. The R10 boasts a DIGIC-X image processor borrowed from the R3. This powerhouse performs a variety of high-speed tasks, from continuous shooting to high-resolution video recording. Speaking of high-speed shooting, the EOS R10 supports up to 23 frames per second continuous shooting with a silent electronic shutter or 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter. And guess what? It does AF and A readings before each frame, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. Now, let's switch gears to video. This camera isn't just for stills, it's a multimedia beast. The EOS R10 offers high-res UHD 4K 8-bit recording. You can record at up to 60p using a cropped portion of the sensor or at 30p when using an oversampled 6K recording area. This means improved sharpness, reduced moire, and lower noise in your videos. But wait, there's more. If you're into slow motion, the EOS R10 can capture 120p recording at up to full HD resolution. Your footage is going to look silky smooth. In summary, the Canon EOS R10 is all about portability without sacrificing capability. It's a sleek mirrorless camera with a hybrid ethos, equally adept in both photo and video worlds. With its APS-C sensor, high-speed shooting, intelligent AF, and impressive 4K video recording, it's a game-changer for anyone serious about photography and videography. So, there you have it, folks. If you own an EOS R10 or are thinking about getting one, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned for more tutorials, photography tips, and in-depth camera reviews on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!